Hi and welcome to this DCP web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install the Gyazo Gif animation tool. So let's open up our web browser and in Google we'll type in Gyazo, that's Gyazo, and we're going to go to this website and we're going to click download, this purple download button. It's going to start downloading the software. We'll just drag it to one side and open up this folder, and then we'll just drag and drop this software into here, and we'll close down that window for now. And we will just do a quick virus check. I know this software is good to go, but we'll just do a quick scan anyway. It's good to go. We'll double click to install and we'll just follow the basic on-screen instructions. We'll click next, and then we'll get GIF animation and we'll get these tools pop up here, and you'll also see the tool available in your little tray down here, right in here, this tool here. So the tool offers basically two options. There's standard screen capture like an image, and then there's also GIF animations as well. So let's go ahead and open up my web browser. I'm just going to move this to this side here, just over here. Let's move it to the side, and then I'm actually on my Facebook page, so I wanted to demonstrate something here, but for now I'm going to go to dcpweb.co.uk, my website. I'm going to click on responsive website design, and I'm going to scroll down, and we can see this slider here, right? So what if I wanted to create a GIF animation from this? There's quite a few different ways to do it, but I want to show you a really quick way. So when you install this software, you'll see Gyazo Gif here. So I'm going to double click, and when I double click, a little crosshair will appear, and I'm just going to draw around this animation, or this slider here. So after I draw around it, I'm going to move the slide myself manually. So I'm just going to move it to the side here, slide across like this, and you can record up to 7 seconds here, I believe. So after you record it, this little timeline will appear, and it's creating a GIF animation, and it's going to open up another website and show you that GIF animation. So let's see what happens. It takes a few seconds for it to finish, and now you can see this GIF animation here. Now the advantage of doing it this way is we didn't have to use any recording software, any video editing, nothing like that. And you've got this little basic GIF animation that you can now share on social media. So I'm going to click on share up here, and then I'm going to click on we can either click on Facebook or we can do a direct download. So you can download it here, you can put a link to it. So if you want a link to this, you can have a direct link to the MP4 or the GIF. In this case, let's just download the GIF animation. So let's click download, and we've got this GIF animation here. We can link to it, and we can do other things, and we can embed it as HTML. We can do loads of different things here, and really you should probably sign up to a personal account to actually sign up to the account, because right now you're just using it as almost like a free tool, right? But you can sign up, and then you'll be able to keep a hold of your captures, and you'll be able to software will memorize what stuff you've captured before. So let's go over to Facebook, and we'll go to Facebook and we'll say just a few examples of our work, our website design work, and then I might put a little link back to this page here. In fact, what I'll do is drag and drop this GIF animation in first, and then I'll put a link in here as well, and then I'll click share now. So that video or that GIF animation is going to be uploaded to YouTube. It's 4.25 megs, so it's not a tiny file by any means. So it's uploading right now, and once it's uploaded, that GIF animation will play on Facebook. Let's try and see that happen now. Your video is being processed. We'll send you a notification when it's ready. So we'll click close for the minute. It shouldn't take too long for Facebook to do that. But while it's doing that, we'll come back and look for that video in a moment. But while it's doing that, I want to show you the other tools. Here's a GIF animation that we created quite easily. Let's have a look at the actual screen capture tool. So there's a screen capture tool here as well. So let's go back to the website, and let's say that we want to screen capture something. So let's find something good to screen capture. Let's go to something like company logos, right? So on my website here, you can see I've got these example logos. So let's say we want to do a screen capture of some logos and we want to share it. There's quite a few different tools that we can use to do that, but let's double click on this first tool here. We'll double click on it, and we'll just draw a box around those logos, like these ones here, for example. So let's just screen capture that like that. So you hear like a little camera sort of click, and here's the screen capture already done for you, and you can click on share again, and you can share it to your social media. But in this case, we might just copy a direct link. So let's copy this link. We'll copy that link. So let's right click and copy, and we can go back to Facebook, and we can say examples of our logo designs, right, and then paste in this URL, and then Facebook will go and generate that thumbnail for you because it knows where the URL is, right? And we can just simply click share now. You can do this on Twitter, you can do it on LinkedIn and different other social media. And here we've got examples of our logo design work. You can click on the image and now you can see the image and you can see that it's downloading and being shared directly from that software. So you're not really hosting that image on your servers, you're hosting it on this third-party tool. So it's quite an effective way to just get content directly shared, and maybe you can put your brand in there or something. You can edit it as well. In this software you can actually go and edit the graphic, and you can sign up to a pro account if you want. You can create collections. You can do a lot of advanced things in here. So let's just refresh this Facebook page and hopefully we'll see this GIF animation as well. Should have maybe finished it by now. Let's see if we can see that show up in here. Here it is. So this is just a few examples of our work, and now you can see that little GIF animation playing, and it looks pretty cool, right? It's just going to keep looping and show examples of the work, and we managed to create that very, very quickly. We've got the original file downloaded as well, and it just says GIF animation here. So that's how I use this tool when I'm working on social media and I just want to post different pieces of content quite quickly, or share content. Then this is a nice quick way to create these little GIF animations and also screen capture some content off of your website. It doesn't have to be your website. You might screen capture something off of a shopping website and then send it to your friend via Facebook and say, look, this is a great product, I think you should buy it as well. Or, you know, you can do loads of different things. You just got to really experiment and see how you can utilize this tool to benefit you and your business. You can also share all of this stuff via Twitter as well. So we could share these links on Twitter. We can share the GIF animation on Twitter as well. So it's really now for you to go and experiment with this tool. I found it quite useful. It's a new tool that I found quite recently, and I thought it was quite a useful tool, so I thought I'd share that with you today. So I'm going to drag these into the folder here, drag this into the recycle bin, because normally I keep my desktop very, very clean, and I can always access the tool from here as well. You can right click and then pin it to your taskbar as well. I believe you can do that. There's various settings in here that you can experiment with and see what works for you. So that's how you go about using the Gyazo GIF animation tool. I found it very useful, and I think you'll find it useful as well. That's the end of this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you in the next DCP web tutorial.